Hi folks, this is All the Fruit, and today I want to talk about green cauliflower. For a long time I basically thought, well, broccoli is the green stuff, cauliflower is the white stuff. Then one of our supermarkets here showed a lot of colorful cauliflowers, and I thought, well, flowers are something like fruits, so I'm gonna make a couple videos about them. However, I made the video where I showed the yellow cauliflower like this one here. Well, the purple cauliflower, of course the white cauliflower, which is kind of the standard one, the original one. I also showed the Romanesco cauliflower, which in my opinion is the best and craziest cauliflower. And for comparison I showed broccoli. And when I researched for this video, it turned out, well, cauliflower is not the same as broccoli. Cauliflower is not just pale broccoli. Well, broccoli, you can see, clearly consists of inflorescences with single buds and flowers. Cauliflower also produces inflorescences, and it can also produce flowers. However, in the stage in which you sell it, it has no flowers. Those are no flowers, those are basically, what are they called? Inflorescence meristems. That's basically a lot of inflorescence tissue which is not really developed and not really differentiated into different tissues. This is like embryonal tissues. Like, well, somebody on YouTube commented on this video, well, I didn't know that I was eating cabbage cancer all the time. Yeah, well, of course, broccoli as well as cauliflower are just cabbages. It's all one species, Brassica oleracea. The drumstick cabbage, all those crisp green cabbages, the kohlrabi, the broccoli, the cauliflower, they all Brassica oleracea. The broccoli is Brassica oleracea var italica. It was bred in Italy and is still very popular in Italy. Cauliflower is Brassica oleracea var botrytis. Well, one variety I didn't show in that video was the green cauliflower. Because I thought, well, I have broccoli, I have the Romanesco, which is a green cauliflower. So the green cauliflower should be boring. Well, then I realized that cauliflower is something very different from broccoli, and also Romanesco is tasting so different from all the other cauliflowers that it actually deserved a separate video, which I didn't do. I put it in the same video with the other ones. And in that video I like the green cauliflower. Now I'm very curious about this green cauliflower. Those are also marketed under names like broccoli flower. There are several varieties of green cauliflower. They are classified as cauliflower, not broccoli. If you look at them closely, you will see, yeah, they definitely do look like a green cauliflower. Here we have a yellow cauliflower. They don't look like a broccoli. However, some of them seem to have broccoli in their ancestry. Since all those cabbages are Brassica oleracea, you can freely hybridize them. So now I'm really curious. Stuff which is green, just like stuff which is red of the same species, usually has a different taste from the pale varieties. So now we have one green cauliflower. By the way, here you can see it's only green where the sun reaches it. Those parts which were covered by the leaves, they stayed white like a normal cauliflower. Here we have a yellow or orange cauliflower, and here we have a broccoli. Let's compare the taste. This green cauliflower, despite not being Romanesco, has a little bit of the Fibonacci sequences of a Romanesco. Not as perfect as in a Romanesco, but it has a rough semblance. So let's try it. Yeah, green part tastes nice. White part tastes nice too. I would say the white part tastes more crisp and fresh. The green part has a bit more taste. Now the orange one. Tastes similar with a bit of bitterness in the aftertaste, but I think that's because this one was a bit old. I don't think I could taste them apart if my eyes were closed. Now let's try the broccoli. Feels and tastes different. It's a lot more green. Tastes a lot more like grass. I think I can really taste the chlorophyll. So in the raw stage, those two are quite similar, although there was even a difference between the green cauliflower that got some sunlight and the one which didn't get some sunlight, but still everything very similar. But the broccoli very different. Well, there are different parts of the inflorescence which are eaten here, and it has a different name, so why shouldn't it taste differently? Now, some boiled green cauliflower, just boiled with a little bit of salt. Tastes like cauliflower, maybe just a tiny bit grassy. This tastes maybe a tiny bit different, but not different enough to even describe the difference. Now the broccoli. Yep. Tastes a bit different and feels different. Since I boiled them in the same pot, difference is not so big, but still interesting. Well, so the green cauliflower was not a great surprise. Actually, the biggest taste surprise I had with those cauliflowers was the Romanesco, which is not featured here in this video. I can totally recommend the Romanesco, even if it's more expensive than other types of cabbage in the supermarket. Buy it. You will definitely have a great taste sensation. So yeah, glad that I finally tried the green cauliflower, folks. Tell me what you experience with strange cauliflower varieties are. Apart from that, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the strange German supermarkets, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.